Yeah, hi guys. The recording, I mean, the last session, I forgot to record this one, so I'm just recording it once again. This do while concept, I will explain it tomorrow and come to the one more syntax here. Now, I want to fetch something data from table. Okay, so for that one, what I will do, I will create one procedure here. Create procedure pr underscore and AOH6. I am just taking and as begin 10. Okay, and here I want to declare, I mean, I want to take some internal table. Okay, as the output parameter LTN square KNA1. So customer information I'm maintaining it here, LTN square KNA1. And after that one, here I have to consider this LTN square KNA1 as the internal table. Okay, so if you want to do like that, then we have to declare one table type. Okay, we have to create one table type in our ABAP layer also. If you want to declare any internal table, then how we will do, we will declare it by using the table name or something structure name or type name, like that we will declare the internal table. Here also I will create one table type. Okay, I will create one table type. So I am selecting the schema and SQL console I'm just adding here. Okay, so first of all I will create the table type. Okay, so create type. Okay, create type. The type name is TT, table type, like that. So I'm just maintaining TT and the square, and this is the customer information, right? CST I'm just maintaining here, and as table. Okay, so here I'm trying to add some column names like Punar. Okay, Punar. Punar, what is the data type and length for this one? So data type length and is the character 10, right? So here n varchar we need to provide here. N varchar and name one n varchar. But what is the data type and length? So let me check in the table level. The name one is a character 35 and vert01 is a character 35. Okay, and land one is character 3. So same thing I will maintain here. Name one vert01 as a n varchar of 35 and land one n varchar of 3. Okay, so I already did, I mean, I already explained about this n varchar. Okay. So in SQL, it is allowing to provide varchar and n varchar two data types. So varchar means this is also data type as for character only, and if you use this one and if you are exporting the data to outside, then a few systems will not allow this varchar. Okay, so to overcome this one, SAP has given one more data type. That type is n varchar. So if you use this n varchar and if you are exporting the data to outside system, then any system can understand that n varchar. Okay, n varchar means new varchar. Now execute it here. So the table type is created now. Now I want to check this table type is created or not. Okay, now this is the schema. So under the schema, procedure is there. So in this procedure folder, subfolder is there, table types. Okay, expand this table types here, and if you able to see here the TT underscore CUST is not available, just right click on the table type and refresh it here. Okay, TT underscore customer CUST is coming here. Fine. This is a table type. I have created the table type. By using this table type, I want to create, I want to declare some internal table. Here, we should not call it as an internal table. We should call it as a temporary table. Okay, so that temporary table LTKNA1 and the table type is TT underscore customer CST, and this is a close brace here. And now I will write the select query, select Kunar name 1 what01 land 1 from KNA1 into table LT KNA1. Okay, this is ABAP syntax here, and I'm executing it here. It will throw some error. Okay, because the question is could not find table or view in the schema ABAP HANA 1. Okay, so what it is showing something. So it is showing like KNA1 table is not available in this schema. Okay, what is the current schema here? What is the username? You can see here. Okay, ABAP HANA 1 is there. Okay, just go to ABAP HANA 1 schema here and open the tables. So this is the table here. I am just giving the filter for KNA1 table. So filter here KNA1. Okay, so the KNA1 is not available. If the available, it will show the table name here. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to give the schema name. Okay, schema name also, and we need to check where this table is available, which schema it is available. Okay, so we are working on ABAP layer, right? So at that time we can see the system status, the schema name and username, right? So there you can see some schema name. Just go to that schema here. Okay, so we already saw the schema name is SAP HANA DB. In ABAP layer, we already saw that one. So SAP HANA DB, and here the tables and the KN1 I have just filtered, and here KN1 table is there, right? Now I will maintain the schema name as SAP HANA DB dot. Okay, SAP HANA DB, this is the schema name dot table name, and now execute it. How it is, it's working or not? It is not working. It is showing something error. Could not find table view or table in schema. That is corrected. Invalid table name SAP HANA DB. This is correct only. Let me write the, let me change the code slightly here. So LTKNA1, cut it here and paste it here is equal to. Okay, now let me check it. Now it's working fine. Okay, it is working fine. So let me remove the schema name here. Then how it will work? Click on execute button. See what it's showing. View KNA1 scheme. Cannot find table or view KNA1. Right. So in schema ABAP HANA 1. In this schema the table is not available. So we need to provide the table name here. Sorry. We need to provide a schema name here. The schema name previously I have taken. This is the schema SAP HANA DB, right? So the same name I am providing here SAP HANA DB. Dot. Okay, now execute it here. So cannot use duplicate time. Okay, fine. See, already it is created. PR underscore AOH6 already created, and I am doing something modification, and after that one I am executing it. At the time it is showing like it is already created. Now what I will do here, I will write create or replace. Okay, so if the schema is available, sorry, if the procedure is available, then it will replace the code. If the procedure is not available, then it will create the procedure newly. Okay, now I will execute it here. Okay, and call procedure name is PR underscore AOH6, I think. Let me check. Yeah, this is the procedure 6 only. PR underscore AOH6. So, and here only one output parameter is there, that is LT underscore KNA1, and here I will use the question mark and call it here. Okay, data is coming fine here. Now what I will do here, I am declaring this internal table or temporary table LTKNA1 by using the table type. Now I don't want to create any table type. Okay, I don't want to create any table type. If I create any table type, then the table type is saving the schema. Globally it is saving here, but I don't want to create like that. Okay, I want to create the schema. So I want to create the procedure, and internal table declaration should be in the locally, not a global. So create procedure PR underscore AOH7, and here output I am giving, and LT underscore KN1 I am giving, and here I need to declare the table type. I need to declare here. Okay, so type I am just maintaining here, or sorry, table. Okay, table of, and here customer number, and the data type and length is n varchar. Okay, we already saw this, the data type and length here, and name one n varchar of 35, and what is 01 n varchar of 35, and close it here. Okay, now I will write the select query. Okay, LT underscore KNA1 is equal to select Punar name 1 ORT01 from KNA1. Okay, schema name also we need to provide here. Otherwise, it will go to the default schema ABAP HANA 1 schema, but the table KNA1 is not available in this schema, so we need to provide the schema name SAP HANA DB. This is the schema name and the dot table name, and click on execute button. Now it is executed successfully. Okay, now I will run it here. The schema name is AOH7. So click on SQL tab here and click on 7 here and click on execute it. Now we can see the same data. Here I am just maintaining 3 columns. Previously I have taken 4 columns. Okay, fine. This is okay, fine. Now I am filling the data in this internal table by using the select query. Right? But I don't want to fill the data in the internal table by using select query. I want to fill the data manually. Okay, we fill. Okay, LTKNA1. Okay, dot, and what is the field name? Punar. Okay, in which line you are filling? The first line, right? So I'm giving something index number 1 is equal to something 200 semicolon, and LTKNA1 dot name 1. Okay, so this is also in the first line. So I'm giving something index number, and the name I'm just maintaining something name, and the LTKNA1 dot what is 01, and here the line index also I'm maintaining for this line, and is equal to city name. Okay, so this is the first line. So in the first line, in a single line, 3 columns are there. So 3 columns information I have maintained here, and after that one, I am maintaining the data for second row. Okay, LTKNA1 Punar, the index number is 2 here, second line here, and 201 I am maintaining, and LTKNA1 dot name 1. Okay, and this is the second row, index number 2, name I am providing here. Okay, and here I am maintaining two records, 200 and 201. Click on execute button here. So it is showing something error, cannot use duplicate name find. Here already this procedure is created, just I have removed the code and I have added some code here. So that's why it is showing something error. So what I will do here, create or replace. Okay, create or replace procedure. Then what will happen? So if the procedure name is available, okay, procedure is available, then it will modify the code. If the procedure is not available, then it will create the procedure newly. Now execute it here. It's executed. Okay. Now I will run it here. Same name, same name, and here something 200 coming fine, 201 is coming fine, but the third record is coming like this, right? I have done something mistake. So just come here. See here what I'm giving. Uh, I mean, the first line, the data is coming correctly, right? Customer number, name, and ORT01. Both, I mean, three records are coming fine, and the second record 201 and the name is coming, but the ORT01 is not coming because the index number I'm just passing different one. Okay, the line index number I need to provide here 2, but instead of the 2 I have provided 3. So what is happening, system is considering like, so the second line not passing any city name, and in the third line not passing any customer number and customer name, right? So I'm giving here the index number 2 and execute it here, and once again come here. I'm just calling the procedure here and click on execute button. Now two records are coming here, 200 and 201. Okay, fine. This is, I mean, in this way we can fill the internal table. Okay, by using the select query or by using, uh, I mean, manually we can fill the internal table here. Okay, fine. In the next, I mean, and few more things are there. I will let you know tomorrow. Okay, that while, do while, uh, and some debug. How can we debug the native SQL code? So these are things I will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, so after that one I will go for AMDP. Okay, so before AMDP we need to uh, just basics, we have to check the native SQL statements. Okay, and just practice on this. Okay, if you don't practice, then we will forget the syntaxes. Okay, so even, so for me also this is new thing, and for you also this is a new thing. Okay, so if you practice it, then we will remember it for a long time. For example, I am giving here something, instead of dot I am giving slash, I mean some hyphen here I am giving. Okay, so in the ABAP layer, if you want to fill the internal table manually, then we will fill the work area first of all. How can we fill the work area? Work area name hyphen field name, like that we will give. And here also I am just giving lt underscore kna1 hyphen kna1 and click on execute button. It will show something error. Hyphen will not allow here. It will allow only dot. Okay. So if we practice on these syntaxes, then we will remember it for a long time. Otherwise, we will forget after 1 week or 2 weeks, like that. Okay. And if you have any doubt, then please ping me. And tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.